Hi friends, this week seems to be a package week, so another package arrived today. And this nice big package is from Sheppygordon from UKLS. There's no sender on the package, it's very heavy and pretty thick and very thick tape is covering the whole package. I've just covered my address label. Some pretty nice stamps on here. So let's get it open. I can't wait. I will carefully try to, or maybe open it here. Oh yes, it's well packed. Oh, I can pry it open with my hand. Okay. Yes, it's really well packed. Very thick tape. I wish I had some of these at work. Pretty nice. Okay, I have the side almost open. I do not want to cut into something. Be as carefully as I can. I hope you can see well. So we got, okay, we go on the bottom. Okay, now it's going. Okay, do not want to damage the stamps. I try to save them for hobby picker. It's actually my knife I use for 3D printed stuff. Oh, that's really tough tape. Okay, but we are getting closer. So let's just try to cut here. Okay. Oh, so it's open. I have to take a quick look. There's a note inside. And no, there is no note. Okay, it's another package. No, very cool. I was not expecting this at the moment. Oh yeah, the first look. Wow, this one's a Chinese one with a smiley key. Oh, so it's you might have seen this. Oh, I have to adjust the light a little bit. It's some kind of dimple lock. Oh, this is a surprise. Okay, you get the shackle out completely. Yeah, and it has some screw inside. I don't know if you can see it. You can see there's a screw inside and looks like another screw there. I probably won't take it apart, but you have to put the shackle in the right direction. Very cool one. Wow. Another one. A star lock, another star lock. Very cool. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-pin lock. Beautiful key. And for my as I remember, oh, these ones pretty hard springs. Very nice click. As you all know, I love a click when it opens. Okay, another one. Wow, that's cool. Patents. It's a laminated lock. It says hardened on the shackle. It's black. Almost looks like a master lock. I have a very cheap version from China, like this. No idea from who this actually comes. Very nice. You can see the key bitting. Pretty cool lock. Wow. This package is really full of padlocks. It's very nice. And here we have a G lock. I don't know the brand. Looks like another Chinese one from the keyway. It also shows this key here on the key. So key on the key. 4 to 3, a 3-pin lock. You might pick this on camera. I was earlier. I will show you this in a second. It's another. There's something else inside. I don't know exactly. I was earlier practicing on the Brings padlock. Very nice too. And this is a shutter lock. Very cool. It also says hardened. No brand on it. No brand on the key. It does have a key. So all locks I got do have a key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-pin lock. It's a bitting. Pretty nice. The key is light, and the shutter lock actually is also relatively light. Oh! Opens very smooth. Spring tension on the key is not that hard. So I guess it will be a nice pick. Very happy. And we have to investigate what this thing in the front actually here. You can see this. What this is. Okay, there's nothing inside. So maybe it's just the packaging. I don't know. I have to see. Okay, it's something with color. Oh, some sweets. Tic Tacs. Okay, I was thinking of Tic Tacs. That is pretty cool to tape it outside. So lime and orange. Very nice. Very cool. Okay, I think we got all out of a package. It's really tough packaging. So I give you another look at these nice locks. Beautiful. I love padlocks. I will adjust the tripod a little bit for you. There you go. This nice shutter lock. The G lock. Let's try the G lock. Cool. It could work. It's only a 3-pin lock. Okay, clicked, and here it's open. I have to help it a little bit. So not a very hard one. As I said, this is a typical Chinese one. A little bit rusty, but it doesn't matter. It's pretty nice. I love this engraving very much. It looks pretty cool with a G with a key here. So let's see if the key turns actually. Yes, it does turn, but it needs a little bit help. Very nice. Oh, let's put the key on the shackle. I like to keep keys on the shackle so we don't get lost. So here's another one, patents. Actually, let's see. It's such a quick video, so we can try this. If I don't get it open immediately, I will do it at a later time. But I want to give it a try. Okay, got a click. Okay. Okay, it doesn't... Oh, it's open. So again, this looks like a cheap version or like a master lock. So nothing high security, but nice to pick, and I still hope to get a friend into lock picking. I don't know, and these locks actually would work pretty well for a beginning, and I like how it's looking. Very nice, this laminated one. So I don't pick with star lock on camera now. It's really hard to do as the spring is so hard turning. And also this blue spot, pretty cool thing. I was actually thinking some days ago about buying such a smiley lock on eBay, but now I don't have to. Even I did know I would get one, but the falling out shackle was a surprise. This is cool. Not that easy to tension, but it's doable. I might have to watch a video. Other pickers have done it, so probably I can learn something from them. It might actually be even the alarm lock, which is sold sometimes. It looks like a speaker. I'm not pretty sure. I hope the alarm is not going off when I try to pick it. Hope when there's some, but yes, it could actually be, but there's a battery inside, and so we have to unscrew it to change it. Not sure. I will try it out and give you a look at it. Very nice package. Thanks a lot, and thank you all for watching, and see you next time. Bye.